following is the third lowest. Now first lowest time is the 1, 2, 3, third lowest 573. Then in what will be the sum of the digits? What is the sum of this one? And 15. 15, that is choice 3, question number 1. Then question number 2. 1 is added to the first digit and 1 is subtracted from the second digit of each number. Then which number will be the third smallest or not? Now third smallest, it is always based on the first digit. Now first digit, what is happening here? And 1 is added. And 1 is added to the first digit. What happened? 1 is added to the first digit. Then which of the number will be the third smallest? What happened? Number same was the 826 same avutundi. Now 826, 1 is added to the first digit and 1 is subtracted from the second digit. ఇలా చేస్తే ఈ నెంబర్ ఇప్పుడు 826 ఏమవుతుంది? ఫైన్. అన్నిటికీ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? 1 యాడ్ చేస్తాం. 1 అన్నిటికీ 1 మనం సేమ్ నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమి ఉండదు మనకి. క్లియర్? కనుక ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ఏం చేయవలసిన పని డైరెక్ట్గా చేయండి. డైరెక్ట్గా అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? థర్డ్ స్మాలెస్ట్, ఇది 1, ఇదేమో 2, ఇదేమో 3. అంతే కదా? Then what is the question here? Which number will be the third smallest? Now 573, that is choice 5. Am I following here? Good. Then coming to question number 3. Now all the digits within each number are arranged in ascending order and second highest order. My ascending order ante second highest ante and ascending order. Now in that number the lowest digit will come to the first place or not? Then second highest number ante lowest చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడేమో 3 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది. 1 1 అయిపోయినాయి. Then second highest, ఇది కూడా point. Then between these two, 268 ఉంది next one and 239 and 375. Then tell me which is the highest? This is the highest and second highest 268. We are getting it from 826 choice 3. Done with this? Then coming to question number 4. Then how many such pairs of now AUTHO, RITY, now authority. AUTHO, RITY, authority. Then how many such pairs of letters are there? And starting with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And U, no letter more than this one. T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S. R, S, T, there is a pair. There is R, S, T. The next one, left to right, there is only one pair again in the reverse. Why? Why there they are Z. Z there they are why? Z. Next. Now you need to stop at Z itself. English alphabets are from A to Z. అంతేగాని Y అయితే Z, A, B, C, D అలా కౌంట్ చేయకూడదు. Then and T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I, J, K, L, M, N, O. And R, S, T, U, V, W. And O, P, Q, R, S. And H, I. Then how many pairs we have? And H, I. Now T and U, they are adjacent letters. And so how many pairs we have? 2. 2, that is given in choice 1, question number 4. Then next to 5 to 9. Now in this 5 to 9, only 5 boxes were there, and at the same time one parameter is added to this one. And what is the parameter here? The colors. Now 5 boxes were stacked one above the other, and at the same time each box is of different color. Then only 5 boxes ఉన్నాయి. 5 boxes first of the second priority and first priority of course. And one in between P and white. Now between P and white there is exactly one, and P and the box that is white in color, there is exactly one. And next one, R is placed immediately below white. Now R is placed immediately below the box which is white in color. Then next one, and Q has red. Now whatever this word, Q is red in color. And P does not immediate to Q. Now P and Q are not adjacent to each other. Now 3 boxes between Q and green. This is the main point. Now 3 in between Q and green means only 5 are there. Now Q is here, 1, 2, 3. Now green is here, that is the first possible. Mind the next possibility. Now Q is at the bottom, 1, 2, 3. Now green will be at the top. And so many are there altogether? 3. And Q is red in color. Now Q is red in color. And at the same time, and P and white there must be exactly one. And neither P nor T is green color. Now P and T cannot be at this place. Now here also P and T cannot be here. Q also cannot be here. Either R or S is green color. Either R or S is green color. Either R or S is green color. Neither P nor the box which is blue is immediately above P. Immediately above P, immediately above P, the box that is blue color. Immediately above P, the box which is blue color, then now P and white. P ki white ki majhlo unnai, there is exactly one. Now P ekkada undi kabatti ikkada white unte, there is exactly one. Saripinda leda? And white can be above this one or below this one. There are two poles. Ikkada white unte white ki immediately below em undali, R undali. Kanuka white, R and P. Uche chance unda leda? White, R and P. Now white color, R and P. White, R and P. Now tell me whether we can able to write like this or not white. Ma white there te undali cheppandi, R. R which is blue in color. Next one, P is at this place. Now P cannot be here. Then we are left with what? And P white and immediately below red icon. P and white there is exactly one. And P and Q. The next one, and blue is immediately above P. Blue is immediately above P, that is all. T cannot be here, T must be at this place. Ma T ekkunte milipayindi, yes. Then what is the color left over? Orange is here. Now this is about question numbers 5 to 9. Then next one. Now question numbers 10, 11 and 12, how many questions were there? There are some 3 questions. Now 3 questions they are based on and syllogisms. Syllogisms first or the second priority, and syllogisms definitely under the first priority. Then first one, no bat is a box. Then coming to question number 10, no bat is a box. Ela raskoli cheppandi, bat and box, there is no intersection. Now this is a bat and this is a box, no intersection between bat and a box. Then only a few boxes are bags. Only some of the boxes are bags, but not all. Now this entire box cannot be pot. And all bats are bottles. Now this entire bats are what? Entire bats are bottle. Now all bags are bats is a possibility. My bags are name ayipoli, bat ayipoli. Is it possible? Ma kudurtunda all bags are ante bag induloki ravali. Induloki vaste bags and this bag and box must be intersected. If you intersect, no box is bat will become false. And it is not possible. Then coming to the next one. All boxes can be bat and bottles avacham. Ma boxes and bottles avacham. And ikkadiki ravachchu box. Ikkada vaste deento paatu bag ila raskovachu kada. And what is your answer? Only 2. Only 2, that is given in choice 3, question number 10. My 11th one, no TV is radio. No TV is radio, no intersection between TV and a radio. This is TV. And this is radio, no intersection between TV and a radio. And some radios are fridges, radio and a fridge. And at the same time, all fridges are ACs. All these fridges are a part of what? ACs. Media the basic diagram. And some TVs are not ACs, that is definitely true as of now. Then, some TVs are not ACs, and but all TVs are ACs రాయాలి. మరి రాసుకునే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా లేదా? ఎక్కడికి రాస్తారు? టీవీలో రాసుకోవచ్చా లేదా? రాస్తే ఏమైపోయింది? All TVs are radio ACs is true. Some TVs are not ACs will become false. And all fridges can be TVs. మా ఫ్రిడ్జెస్ అన్ని టీవీస్ అవ్వచ్చు అన్నాడు. అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా లేదా? మా కెన్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? పాసిబుల్. అంటే ఇలా రాసుకోవాలి. మీరు ఇలా రాసే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా టీవీ? ఇలా రాస్తే no radio is TV will become false. And it is also not possible. Neither one, not two. Choice 3, question number 11. Then next coming to question number 12. Now in this some doctors are what? And dancers. Now some actors are doctors. Now these are the actors that are dancers. And next one, no dance is a director. No intersection between dance and a director. And next one, all singers are directors. These are the singers that are directors. All singers are actors is a possible. మా సింగర్స్ అందరూ యాక్టర్స్ అవ్వచ్చు అని అన్నాడు. అవ్వచ్చో లేదా? సింగర్స్ అందరూ యాక్టర్స్ అంటే యాక్టర్స్ ఇలా రాయాలి. యాక్టర్స్తో పాటు ఏం రావాలి? దెన్ డాన్సర్స్ రాసుకోవచ్చో లేదా? ఎస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్. నో డైరెక్టర్ ఈజ్ అన్ యాక్టర్. యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో డైరెక్టర్ అండ్ యాక్టర్, దట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ. ఇది ఫాల్స్ అంటే సమ్ డైరెక్టర్స్ ఆర్ యాక్టర్స్ ఇలా రాసుకున్నాం కదా, ఈ యాక్టర్ ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ టు ప్రీవియస్ కంక్లూజన్ ఫాల్. And so only one follows, choice 4, question number, and only one, choice 5, question number 12. Then next one, 13 to 17. 13 to 17, and who are the persons who have? And 7 persons, LM and O, and they are working in a company. The designations were given. My designations first or the second priority? Definitely under the first priority. Why it must be under the first priority? Because the order will always be clearly given. Then, only that is 3/4 of this set is just the introduction part. Now the conditions were only in these 3 lines only. And it must be under the first priority. Ma cheppandi, AV తీసుకోవాలి CEO. Next to CEO, who is the other person? CVO. And next to CVO and CFO. Ma CFO next one ఎవరు వస్తారు? And vice president. next to vice president, manager, and next to manager, assistant manager, and assistant manager, next to clerk. Now these are the 7 persons who have CEO, COO, CFO, vice president, manager, assistant manager, and a clerk. Now how many persons are there? 7 persons. Then coming to condition number 1. Now first one చెప్పండి. N is junior to vice president. N is junior to whom? Vice president, but not the clerk. And so how many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. M can be manager or an assistant manager. Then next one, only 3 persons between N and M. In the first case, M is CEO, next one COO. And M who is junior to O. M is junior to O, this case is not possible. M is junior to O. As many, senior to O, junior to Q, Q is here. And next one, P is junior to R. P is junior to R, but senior to whom? L. And RPL must be in this order. Now this is the final arrangement we have. Much one and easy అయిపోయిందో. Syllogisms 2 questions చేసే టైంకి 5 questions అయిపోతాయి. Then, hence this must be under the first priority. My next one, question number 18. My word formation. Now second. What is the second letter? U. And fourth letter? D. Next one, seventh letter? E. And next one, ninth letter? Ninth letter? T. Now with the help of these 4 letters, U, D, E, T, any word that can be found? Chapali. Now Juliet is the word that can be found. Then what is the question here? Second letter of the word that's formed as your answer. What is the second letter? U. U, that is choice for question number 18. Then next one coming to 19 honors. Ma 19 chesara? Ma first or the second priority? 19th one. Now 19th one, first priority. Now in this 19, S is how many meters? Now 6 meters to the south of R is here, S is here. Now S is 6 meters to the south of R, and G is 8 meters to the east of S. Now this is G, which is 8 meters to the east of S. And G is 5 meters to the north of K, K and G, the distance is how much? 5 meters. And K is 3 meters to the west of A, K and A. Now the distance is how much? 3 meters. And K is 3 meters. And T is 7 meters to the north of A. Must 7 meters and end all. Now this is 5 and this is 2. Now T is how many meters? 7 meters to the north of A. And B is 7 meters to the west of T. Must 7 meters to the west of T and T this is 3 and this is 4. Now this is B is 7 meters to the west of T. P is 10 meters to the south of B. My kanunchi P and the distance 10 meters. 10 meters and the 2. Now this is 5. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 3. And P is 10 meters to the south of B. Now this is 3, 5 and 2. Out of this 8, this is 4 and this is another 4. And next one, P is 9 meters to the east of C. Ma C దగ్గర నుంచి 9 meters అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది? ఇది 4 and this is another 5. And M is 5 meters to the north of C. Ma 5 meters అంటే here, this is 3 meters and the 2 meters. Now this is M, which is 5 meters. Then B is in which direction with respect to K? Ma B ఎక్కడ నుంచి చెప్పండి with respect to K? V is 5 meters to the west of S అన్న. Ma V is 5 meters అంటే V ఇక్కడ రావాలి. మరి రెండింటి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత? 5 meters. Then what is the distance between V and M? Ma V కి M కి మధ్యలో this is equal to how much? Ma E5 లో already 2 అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా మిగిలింది ఎంత? 3 meters. Now 3, that is choice for question number 20. Then 21st, odd one out. G and B. Now G and B, G ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఇక్కడ మనకి. Now G is to the southeast of B. అవునా కదా? A is to the southeast of yes. ఉందా లేదా? A is to the south. And C is to the southeast of T. అవుతుందా? And C is to the southwest of T అవుతుంది. Then what is your answer? Choice 3, question number 21. Then 22nd. And between B and S. Now we need to find the distance between B as well as S. Now B is here and where is S? B and S. ఇక్కడ 4 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది. And 4 into what is your answer? And 20. మా 20 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? 4 into 5. 4 బయటకు వస్తే 2 root 5. Now 2 root 5, that is choice 5, question number 22. The next one, 23 to 27. అమ్మ చెప్పాలి. Certain number of persons. My certain number of persons seated in a row, circular and row. And see here. My first priority now, second priority now. And first priority. My as of now, దీన్ని లాస్ట్లో పెట్టుకోండి. మా ఎందుకు? ఆల్రెడీ వీ హ్యావ్ డన్ 2 sets. మరి 2 puzzles ఆల్రెడీ చేసాం. క్లియర్? ఇప్పటికే టైం అయిపోయి ఉండాలి. కనుక ఇది వెనక్కి పెట్టుకుంటే రిమైనింగ్ ఈజీ వేనే ఉండొచ్చు. మా 28 to 30 చూడండి ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్. మా ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ త్వరగా చేయొచ్చు కదా దీనికన్నా. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ కంపారిజన్స్, అది కూడా త్వరగా అయిపోతుంది. రైట్, ఈ రెండు చేసిన తర్వాత దెన్ యూ నీడ్ టు థింక్ అబౌట్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, దెన్ మా స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం మరి. నా సర్టెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్, మా ఈ నెంబర్స్ అన్ని లెస్సర్ దాన్ 20 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీలో చేసేసుకోండి. దెన్ అండ్ ఫర్ 3 persons sit between D and M. మా డీకి ఎంకి మధ్య ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? నా 3 persons between D and M. If M is here 1 2 3 D is here, or D is here 1 2 3 M is. మా సరిపోయిందా లేదా? నా 3 persons between D and M. M who sits second to the left of R, M is seated second to the left of R. And of M, my M కి left hand side ఎంతమంది? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Only 6 to the left of M. 1 2 3 4 first case, second case there are only 2. Then next one, 4 persons between, and 4 persons between whom? And R and O. In between R and O there must be exactly 4. Now 4 persons between R and O, R and O there are exactly 4. Maybe O is to the left hand side or to the right hand side. As of now, no information about that O. And next one, as many persons between D and O, M and T. Now D and O, M and T, we need to have equal number. Not more than persons and more than 2 persons sit to the right of one. I mean the crucial information. Then 4 people between R and O, 1 2 3 4 ikkada తీసుకోవాలి. Now if you take here more than 2 persons are to the right hand side of O, and it is not possible. Hence O must be to the right hand side of R. 1 2 3 4 O is here. If O is here, then how many persons are there to the right hand side of O? Not more than 2 persons. Maybe 0, 1 or 2. Clear how many possibilities we have? And we have some 3 possibilities. Now D and O, 2 persons. Now ikkada kuda 1 2 3, and how many persons are there in between? R and O. Ma R ki O ki 4. 1 2 3 4. D and O, R and O 4 persons. Now D and O there are 2 persons. M and T there must be exactly 2 persons. My M and T 2 persons, T can be here or T can be here, 2 possibilities. Ma saripinda ledha? And again M and O, D and O, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 persons. Then between M and T we need to have 10 persons. Ma 10 persons unte 1 2 3 4 5 6 not possible. Then right hand side, ma right hand side M and T 10 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 persons. Is it possible? Not more than 2 to the right. This is ruled out. Now we have left with only the first case. The next one, neither O nor T sits immediate to D. But T cannot be immediate to another gap to T must be here. Then U sits exactly between R and B. Now where is this U? U is exactly between R and B in any order. The next one, B sits at one of the extreme ends of the line. B can be either the left extreme or right extreme. The next one, U sits at one of the positions to the right of R. Now U is to the right of R. If U is to the right of R, B must also be to the right of R. And B is also to the right of R. And next one, and M sits immediate to H. Where is this M? M is immediate to H. H who does not sit immediate to R. Now H is at this place. My H ikkada unte. Then D and O, M and T తీసుకోవాలి. M and T అయిపోయింది కదా, R and O అయిపోయింది. Then U is exactly between R and B, and both these two are to the right hand side. Now U is exactly between R and B means U cannot be here. అవునా కదా? And can we have U at this place or not? Yes, how many in between R and U? 2 people. And U and B there must be exactly 2, and B can be here. There is one possible. Clear? May the possibility మాట్లాడడం. Then another case. And what is the other case we can have? Ma U. Can we have U at this place? Ma U ikkada ఉండొచ్చు, R and U. There are 3. ఇప్పుడు మనకి 3 and there are 3 persons between O and B. అప్పుడు B ఉండాలి. Why can't this be your answer? Not more than 2 persons to the right. Hence you cannot have U at this place. As U cannot be here. Hence where should this U? U must be immediate right hand side of D. And between R and U there are 2 people. U and B there are 2 people. అయిపోయిందా? Now this is the final arrangement we have. Then 27, 23 to 27. Then 28. మా 28, 29, 30. దేంట్లోకి వస్తుంది ఇది? Definitely under the first priority. Then the relation between W and M. మా M కి W కి మధ్యలో M less than W, W greater than M. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? And H and X. మా X and H opposite symbol, no relation. And so what is your answer? Only one choice to question number 28. Then coming to question number 29. In this 29th one, Majapal answer. Now 29, E and P. E is here, P is here. E greater than P is true, equal to P is false. Now between G and D. Now between G and D, G greater than D is true, lesser than D is false. Neither one, not two. Choice for question number 29. Then neither one, not two. Now at the same time, ఇక్కడ చూడండి E and P. E equals to G కదా, రాసుకోవచ్చా లేదా? And E equals to G. And in the same way, E equals to G. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ ఏముందో E equals to G, P and D. P equals to D అంటే P ఇక్కడ రాసుకోవాలి, అవునా కదా? And P equals to D. Then G greater than or equals to P, G lesser than P. Then the relation between G and P. G and P ఏమవుతుంది? నా ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది? G greater than P వచ్చింది కనుక మనకి ఆన్సర్ ఏమొచ్చింది? G greater than P వచ్చింది, అవునా కదా? మనకి మా మూడు సింబల్స్ G and P మధ్యలో ఉంటే ఎదురర్ అంటాం. అది ఎప్పుడు స్టేట్మెంట్లో ఆపోజిట్ సింబల్ ఉండాలి. మరి ఆపోజిట్ ఉందా లేదు, అందుకే నేను నెయిదర్ అన్నప్పుడు ఎవరో ఎయిదర్ అనే మాట వినిపించి అందుకే మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి రావాల్సి వచ్చింది. అర్థమైందా? ఫైన్, ఆయన అన్నీ తప్పులేదు. ఇందులో మనకి ఏంటంటే మూడు సింబల్స్ వచ్చేసాయి. ఆ మూడు సింబల్స్ ఉండే ఎయిదర్ రావాలంటే ఏమవ్వాలి? స్టేట్మెంట్లో ఆపోజిట్ సింబల్ ఉంది. మరి ఇక్కడ ఆపోజిట్ ఉందా లేదు? G greater than P 100% ట్రూ అవుతుంది. మా G greater than P 100% ట్రూ అయితే హెన్స్ నో రిలేషన్ అనేది దట్ ఈస్ రూల్డ్ అవుట్. Got this one? Good. My next one, question number 30. My 30th చెప్తారా? Now in this question number 30, మా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. Now D and T. T ఇక్కడ, D ఇక్కడ, ఆపోజిట్ సింబల్, నో రిలేషన్. Nకి Vకి మధ్యలో ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? ఆపోజిట్ సింబల్, నో రిలేషన్. అండ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ D and N are different to each other, అవునా కదా? Neither one, not two choice. The next one 31 to 35. My 31 to 34, they are based on and comparison. Now 7 persons, different ages were given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 persons and only Q is younger than M అన్నాడు. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? ఓన్లీ Q is younger than M. Q మాత్రమే M కన్నా చిన్నవాడు, రిమైనింగ్ అందరూ ఏంటి? పెద్దవాళ్ళు. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? అండ్ ఓన్లీ Q is younger than M. ఎవరు ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? ఓన్లీ Q is younger than M. మా 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ఉంది, నెంబర్లు చెప్పండి. నో 6. ఎవరు 6? క్యూనా ఎమ్? ఎమ్, ఎమ్. గుడ్, అలా చెప్పాలి. ఓన్లీ క్యూ ఈజ్, ఓన్లీ క్యూ ఏమైపోయాడు? ఓన్లీ క్యూ ఈజ్ యంగర్ దెన్ ఎమ్ కన్నా చిన్నవాడు ఒక్కడు మాత్రం, ఎవడది? వాడు క్యూ. అండ్ క్యూ ఈజ్ ద యంగెస్ట్. క్లియర్? ఎక్కువగా 2 and 3లో వేసే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది, జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోండి. దెన్ అగైన్ R is older than whom? Yes. But younger than whom? P. N is older than whom? N is older than O. N is older than O, but younger than R. సరిపోయిందా? And younger than S is older than O. Where is S? S is older than O. O is here. And N must be in between O and R. N is here, అవునా కదా? And S is older than O, but not to N. S is not older to N. S is younger to N. And the remaining persons PRNSO. Now PRNSO. మరి సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Then which of the following is the third tallest? Third tallest ఎవరు చెప్పండి? N, that is choice 3, question number 31. 32. How many are younger than O? Now younger than O, there are only 2 persons, so choice 1. 33. And who is the youngest? Q is the youngest, choice 5, 33. And if the sum of the ages of, my age is shown. Second oldest person is how many years? 75. R is 75. And the third youngest person is 48. O is 48. Now, the sum of R and M is 117. R and M already 75. And R and M 117 అన్నాడు. మరి M ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 25 plus 17, 42. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ S and O is 104. O 48. మరి S ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 48 అంటే 52 plus 4, 56. Now S is so much? 56. Then what is the difference between S and M? 56 and 42, 14. 14, choice 3, question number 34. Then 35. Now in this 35, 8, 5, 7, 2, 6, 3, 4. 8, 5, 7, 2, 6, 3, 4. 1 is subtracted from all the even numbers. And 2 is added all the odd numbers. Appear more than 1 so not have to enjoy. Write down all this. Now this is 7, 1, 5, 3. And 2 is added. And this is 7, 9, 5. Then how many digits appear twice? Now 7 and 5 pairwise 235. The next one 36 to 40. Now 36 to 40 happen. Now here in this one 6 persons and standing in a straight line. Now 6 persons in a row, seated in a row, facing towards north. And each one of them likes different flavors of ice creams. Now one parameter is given. B sits at one of the extreme of the line. And the meaning in Japan, B can be at the left extreme or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now B is at the right extreme. And only 2 persons between B and the one who likes vanilla. Now B and vanilla, there must be exactly. Now B and the one vanilla, there must be exactly 2. And next one. And C sits to the immediate left of the one vanilla, C is to the immediate left of vanilla. And F sits second to the right of A and F must be in the alternate places. And F does not like vanilla. F does not like vanilla, hence, in the first case, A is here, F is here. And A and F. Now in the second case, F does not like vanilla, hence F is here, A is. And now in both the cases, A must like vanilla. And next one, this has been done. And F sits, E likes what? E likes butterscotch. Now E likes butterscotch, and only 3 persons sit between E and chocolate. Now between E and chocolate, there must be exactly 3 people. Now E and chocolate, and how many persons are there in between? Exactly 3. That means, and E and chocolate, and 1 between. My chocolate must be at the extreme end. And between E and chocolate, there must be exactly 3 persons. And ikkada E unte, then F must be chocolate. Ikkada E unte, B must be chocolate. And 2 possible. And E and chocolate. Now E is butterscotch, E and chocolate, and B does not like chocolate. As B does not like chocolate, and F is chocolate. Now if F is chocolate, then where should this E? E must be here. E is it. E is what? E is butterscotch. And at the same time, B does not like chocolate. As B does not like chocolate, Mari ekkadundal chocolate. And ikkada chocolate unde chance undo. Then if E chocolate is here, then E and F must be in the same place, not possible. Now follow here. And where should this chocolate? Now F must like chocolate. If F is chocolate, then E must be at this place. Now E is what? E is butterscotch. Then as many between A and chocolate and D and strawberry. A and chocolate in the first case. How many people? 1 person. And D and strawberry 1 person. Now D and strawberry 1 person. Where should this be? D is here. And D and strawberry. Clear? And in this case, as many between D and strawberry. Now D and strawberry, D is here. And D is here. And who must like strawberry here? Now strawberry arundachu. Rendu chances unnai kada. And C does not like strawberry. C does not like strawberry here. Now first case is ruled out. Clear? Because she likes strawberry. The one who likes and pistachio does not sit immediate to F. And pistachio is not immediate to F, C is a pistachio. Then what else is left over here? Butter? Butterscotch, butter pecan. Now butter pecan must be D. Then, now this is about question number 36 to 40. Done in this paper? My next thing can on number series. Question numbers 40, now 46 to 50. Now coming back to this one, question numbers of 46 to 50, number series. Numbers. Now numbers are decreasing at a very faster rate. And product or combination. 48. Whenever the numbers are in the decreasing order, you need to start in the reverse order. Now 48 and this one into 3. Into 4. This is 5 and this is 6 and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 48 divided by 2, 24 choice 1. Clear? Then coming to 47. Now 47 Japan. Numbers are increasing at a smaller rate difference. What are the differences of 5? Next one is so much? 6. Now 5, 6, next one 7, 8, 9. 27 plus 9, 36 choice 3, 47. Then next one 48. Now in this 5, 11, 24. The difference. 5 into 2 this goes into 2 plus 1. Now 11 into 2, 22 plus 2. Into 2 plus 3. Into 2 plus 4. Isn't it? Into 2 plus 4 is into 2 plus 5. 6 into 2, 12 plus 5, 7 raw 1. 7 is the only choice 1, 48. into 2 స్లైడ్ చేంజ్ అయిందా ఆమె ఎక్కడ రాంగ్ వస్తుందా 3 రావట్లేదా దెన్ నా 24 into 2 48 plus 3 51 కదమ్మా స్క్రీన్ ముందు కదా 511 ఇప్పుడు అయిందా ఫైన్ నేను అటు చూడట్లా దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 49 మా 49 చెప్పండి 4 and 9 డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి 5 నెక్స్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్ 10 నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ సో మచ్ మా దగ్గర 19 and 36 డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత వస్తుంది 17 and 36 and 62 difference is so much 26. What are these numbers 5, 10, 17? 2 squared plus 1, 3 squared plus 1, 4 squared plus 1, 5 squared plus 1, 6 squared plus 1, 37. 2 plus 7, 9 raval. 900 choice 1 question number 49. And next one 50. Now 16, 21 difference and those 5. Here the difference is so much 10. Now here the difference is 15. 20 next one is 25. Now 6 plus 5 is 1. 91 choice 1 50. Now this is about clerk prelim. Then PO prelim. Now in this PO prelim, now start jadam PO prelim. Now in this PO prelim, if you observe here, $49. Now paper number 49, RRB PO prelim. Now in this 49, question numbers, 1 onwards, 1 to 4. How many questions were given under this one? How many questions were given? 4 questions. Now altogether there are some 4 questions. Now 10 persons were there, studying in 3 different colleges, and at least more than 1 person studying in each of these colleges. That means more than 1 person is studying in each of these colleges. It comes under common parameter. Then what is the diagram we need to opt for? Maloroscal, we need to divide this one according to the colleges. Now tell me it comes under the first or the second priority. Now among the puzzles it comes under the first priority. Ade paper kanpinchini gaani idi kanipiste now second priority. Okay, puzzles anni okasari cheskondi. And meanwhile try to work out easy type of questions early first. Then coming to this one. How many colleges? 3. What are those colleges? Now KBN is 1. My next one in Japan, SRR and SRK. SRR and SRK are the 3 colleges we have, and altogether there are some 10 persons, and minimum not less than 3 persons study in each of the college. Not less than. That means 3 or more than 3. Then what are the possibilities we have? And in one of the college there are 4, and in the remaining there must be 3 and 3. Another 3, 3, 4 is the order. Then next one. Not less than. B and N are studying in the same college but not in SRR. Now B and N, they are studying in the same college. Now they are studying in the same college but not in SR. B and N must be together. B and N cannot be here. Hence B and N can be either in KBN or SRK. The next one, and E studies in what? KBN. My E is studying in KBN, E must be here. And E is studying in D and L are studying in the same college. D and L, same college, but not in SRK. That means D and L cannot be in SRK. Then, and SRK. D and L cannot be in SRK. Hence, D and L cannot be in SRK. DL cannot be at this place. D and L. And C does not study with O. And O who does not study in SRR. Now, C and O are not studying in the same college. And at the same time, O who does not study in SRR. And O cannot be at this place. And O does not study in, and O who studies in SRR. Now O who studies in SRR, and so must be here. My 4 is here, C cannot be at this place. C cannot be at this place. And next one, M is studying with only 2 other persons but not in SRR. And M cannot be here, but as the college in this M is studying, and he is studying in with 2 more persons. That means there are only 3 persons who are studying in MR. Clear? And along with M. A does not study with N. A and N are not studying in the same college. My next one. P and O are studying in different colleges. Again, P and O, they are not studying in the same college, and so P cannot be here. And but neither of them study in KBN. Now, P cannot be in KBN, hence P must be in SRK. Now, P and O. P and O are different. The next one, C and O are different. and neither of them study in KBN. My next one, C neither studies in SRR nor in KBN. SRR, KBN, C is ruled out. And so where should this is? C must be here. Saripinda? And C is. Now C and O are not studying in the same college. Saripinda. And D does not study with M, N. And D does not study with M. Now D and M are not studying in the same college. N and C do not study in the same college. N and C do not study in the same college. N cannot be here. As N cannot be here, N must be here. If N is here, N is studying along with whom? B. Clear? Now B and N information అయిపోయింది కదా. Then B and N. Then next one coming back to this one. మరి రెండిట్లో కామన్ ఉంది ఏమని చెప్పండి? M. And the one who is studying with M. M cannot be at this place. అవునా కదా? ఎందుకంటే if M is here, there are 4 persons. Now in the college in which M is studying, there must be only 3. M cannot be here, M is here. మరి సరిపోయిందా? అండ్ ఇందులో ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి? ఓన్లీ 3 members ఉండాలి. అండ్ 3 members ఉంటాయి. E and B అయిపోయింది. ఇంకెవరు ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? E and B. D and L must. D and L cannot be here. అవునా కదా? అప్పుడు 5 members అయిపోతారు. And so where should this D and L? D and L is here. And one more person, A. And A is not studying with N. A cannot be here, A is studying with N. అమ్మ అయిపోయిందా లేదా? Then మందికి జాగ్రత్త పక్కన రాసుకోవాలి. ఇలా రాయకన్నా మీరు ABCDELM అని రాసుకొని మన కాలేజీలో పెట్టాలనుకుని మీ వల్ల కాదు. ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ యూ కీప్ ఆన్ కౌంటింగ్ ద కాలేజెస్. అది చాలా డిఫికల్ట్ పార్ట్. అది ఆన్సర్ అయితే వస్తుంది. బికాజ్ ఎనీహౌ వీఆర్ deriving the answer from the given information only. ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్తోనే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. మీరు ఎలా రాసుకున్న ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. The only thing which matters is how much time you are taking in order to arrive to the final arrangement. Then అది మనకి ఇంపార్టెంట్. 2 hours ఇస్తే పేపర్ ఒక్క మార్క్ కూడా పోకుండా పెడతారా లేదా? డెఫినెట్గా పెట్టేస్తారు. కానీ ఆ టైంలో 20 minutes ఎవరు చేశారో వాడే కింగ్ ఆ రోజు. డన్. ఇక క్లాస్ రూమ్లో మనం ఎన్నిసార్లు అయినా చేయొచ్చాము, ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ అయినా అవచ్చు. ఆ రోజు అక్కడ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఈజ్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ దాన్ దిస్. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్స్ 5 to 7. అండ్ 5 to 7 దేంట్లోకి వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? డెఫినెట్లీ అండర్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ. మా 5 to 7 ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 3 మార్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, 3 questions. అదే 1 to 4 ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 4. మరి 2 కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే ఏది మనకి ఈజీ? 5 to 7 ఈజీ. అందుకే 1 to 4ని పజిల్స్లో ఫస్ట్ చేసుకోండి, పేపర్లో మాత్రం దాన్ని సెకండ్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. Then coming back to 5 to 7. Now in this question numbers 5 to 7, directions. And J is 10 meters to the east of A. My A ikkada, J ikkada. Distance ఎంత ఉంది? 10 meters. J is 10 meters. J is 6 meters to the north of N. My N ki J ki distance ఎంత? 6 meters. And H is 7 meters to the east of N. Now H and N 7 meters to the east. And W is 9 meters to the north of H. Now W is how many meters? 9 meters. 9 meters, this is 6 and 3. W is 9 meters to the north of H. Then F is 12 meters to the west of W. My F is how many meters? 12 meters. Amma? Screen రాలేదమ్మా. Then next one. Then W is 9 meters to the north of what? North of H. And F is 12 meters to the west of W. My F and the 12 meters. 12 and this is 7 and this is 5. Now F is 12 meters to the west of W. And G is 4 meters to the north of F. Now this is G, and who is 4 meters to the north of F. G is 4 meters to the north of F. And V is 17 meters to the east of G. My V is how many meters? 17 meters. My 17 and 12 plus 5 17. What is this one? V. V is 17 meters to the east of G. And Z is 6 meters to the south of V. My Z is 6 meters and it is 4. And another 2 more meters Now Z is here. Now సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Then what is the direction of V with respect to N? Now direction of V with respect to N. Now in order to reach to V from N, first we need to move towards north and east to northeast. Now northeast, that is choice to question number 5. And shortest distance between J and W. Now in this J and W, J is here, W అమ్మ ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య distance. మా ఇదేమో 3 అవుతుంది, ఇదేమో 7 అయింది. Now 49 plus 9. 49 plus 9, 58. Now root over 58, choice 1, sixth one. And odd one out, F and H. Now F is to the northwest of H. F is to the northwest of H. G and Z. G is to the northwest, H and W. And H is to the northwest of W అయిందా? And H is to the south of W, choice 3 is the odd one. Then next one, 8 to 11. Now in this question numbers 8 to 11, certain number of boxes, మా దేంట్లో చేయాలి? Definitely under the second priority. Regular in general boxes always we discuss under the second priority. అందులో certain numbers. More than 6 boxes ఉంటేనే మనం second priority పెడతాం. ఇక numbers చూడండి 15, 16, 14, 18, isn't it? Definitely under the second priority, okay? Then coming back to this one. Then number of boxes placed between F and R. Now F and R is 1 less than number of boxes below C. చూడండి information ఎలా represent చేస్తున్నాము. Number of boxes between F and R is -1 is equals to and boxes that are and below C. And 2 boxes between T and D, D which is 3 boxes above H. Now D is 3 boxes above H. అమ్మ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం H దగ్గర నుంచి. Now if H is here and D is 3 boxes above H, D is here, then 2 boxes are between T and D. Now 2 boxes between T and D, and T must be above this one. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? And between T and D there are 2 boxes, D and H there are 2 boxes. As many boxes below to C, same as above D. My above D there are 3, isn't it? As of now there are 3. ఇంకా ఉన్నాయో లేదో మనకు తెలియదు. Clear? And below C, how many could be there? Maybe T is at the top or not, that is not known, isn't it? Then as many boxes, C and D. Now C equals to what? As below to C, same as above to D. Now C and D, we need to have equal number of boxes. And K is immediate to R but not to H. Now K and R are adjacent. K is immediate to R, but this K is not adjacent to whom? And K is not adjacent to R, H. And next one. And 2 boxes between C and W. Now in between C and W, how many? There must be exact 4 boxes between F and T. And T which is placed above F. T is placed above F, 1, 2, 3, 4, F is here. అమ్మ సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Now 4 boxes. That means F and H must be adjacent to each other. Now 4 boxes between F and T which is placed above F. And only 3 boxes between C and R. మా C కి R కి మధ్య ఎన్ని ఉండాలి? There must be exactly 3. And 2 boxes are between R and F. Now in between R and F there must be exactly 2 boxes. And 2 boxes between R and F. F is not immediate to C. Now 2 boxes between R and F. Hence F can be above or below. Clear? And 2 boxes between R and F. If we start with this one, మా R ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు లేదా below? And 2 boxes between R and F. Now if R and F were like this, then we need to have C and R. Now C and R there must be exactly 3. మా exactly 3 అంటే C ఇక్కడ రావాలి. మా C ఇక్కడ ఉంటే above this C, below this one, is it possible? No. Hence again, hence where should this C be? మా C ఎక్కడ below. Below అంటే ఎక్కడ రావాలి చెప్పండి? C and R. There are 3, 1, 2, 3. Now there are 3 in between C and R. And again C and D. Above this D there are 3. Then below this C there are 3. As of now పెట్టొచ్చా లేదా? As of now. Then C and D equal number we have taken below this C. F and R. F and R, how many are there? There are only 2. 2 is 1 lesser than 3. Hence below 3 there must be exactly 3. Hence above this T there is no box. ఇప్పుడు సరిపోయిందా ఇప్పుడు? And T is at the top and now this box is at the bottom. C and W there must be exactly 2. C and W there must be exactly 2. W can be here or W can be adjacent to this one. And K. Then K and R are adjacent. And K and R are adjacent. K is here but not to H. W cannot be here. W is at the bottom. మా సరిపోయిందా W? C and W done. K and H are not adjacent. అయిపోయింది for me. And 2 boxes between R and F. R and F, how many boxes? 2. F is not immediate to C. Done with this? F is not immediate to C. Now this is the final arrangement, question numbers 23 to 26. 23 to 26. Then 27 to 29. My this upon 27 to 29, first priority na second priority na man. And definitely under the first priority. Clear? 23 to 29. My ఇంతవరకు మనం ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసాం? Sorry. Now 15 to 18 అయింది కదా? Now 12 to 14. Yes, we had done only from 8 to 11. 8 to 11. Then coming to question number 12 onwards. My 12th one, syllogisms. My syllogisms first priority na second priority na. And definitely under the first. Some carrots or onions, now these are the carrots that are onion. And each onion is a potato, all onions are what? Potatoes. And next one, no potato is a tomato, no intersection between potato and a tomato. Then some potatoes are carrots is a possibility. Now some potatoes are carrots. Is it possible or not? Yes. The next one. And some carrots are not tomatoes. Now, as of now, no carrot is a tomato, some carrots are not tomatoes. And to make this one false angel Japanese, then all carrots are tomato. All carrots are tomatoes, I chance unda. Hence, alternate diagram cannot be drawn. This will be true forever. Choice one. The next one coming to 13. Now in this 13th one, almost. Almost into meaning and some. Almost is nothing but someone. Some bikes are colors. Now these are the bikes that are colors B and C. 100% oranges are colors. Now oranges, all oranges are colors. And only a few colors are yellows. Some colors are yellows but not all. Only some but not all. And some oranges are yellows, that is false. And no orange is yellow, definitely true. No orange is yellow, true. Some oranges are yellow. And alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. And at the same time, this has become true. Then what is your answer? Either 1 or 2, question number 13, choice 2. Then 14th one. On this 14, no pen is eraser. No pen is eraser, pen is here, eraser is here. No intersection between pen and an eraser. And all sharpeners are erasers. And in the same way, a few sharpeners are pencils. Some sharpeners are pencils, but not all. All these sharpeners cannot be a part of pencil. No pen is pencil, definitely true. All pencils can be pens. My pencils and pens are what? First one, no pen is pencil means no. And now we need to prove some pens are pencil. Alternate diagram true, previous conclusion form. All pencils can be pens. My pencils and pens are volunteer. Allow say no pen is an eraser will become false. Hence it is not possible. Then what is your answer? Neither one nor two. Neither one nor two, choice for question number 14. The next one, 15 onwards. And circular table, how many persons are there? There are some 7 persons. And some of them are facing the center, while some of them are away from the center. 7 persons, some inward and some outward is given. And V sits out to the left of you. V sits out to the left of you. Now this is about question numbers. Now these are the 7 persons we have. Then 7 persons and facing the center, well, some. V sits out to the left of you and both are facing opposite. And 2 in between P and Q. T is facing opposite, R sits second, U sits out to the right, R is to the immediate, and both are facing. S does not face outside. Now S gurinchi there is no information about S at all. Now T sits out to the left of S. Then, now let us start with S then. S does not face outside and S must be facing towards the center. Now if S is facing towards the center, then T sits out to the left of S, T is. Now T sits out to the left of S and T sits S who sits to the immediate. S is to the immediate right of P and S is to the immediate right of P, there are 2 possibilities. And if P is here, S is to the immediate right of P, P must be away from the center. Clear? Or next in the second case. Now in the second case, there are 7 persons. Now S is facing towards the center. Now T is here. Now P is here. And S is sitting. And S who sits to the immediate right of P. And P must be facing towards the center. Clear now? Now as of now we have done with S, P and T. Then next one coming. 2 persons between Q and Q, P and Q. and R sits to the immediate right of T, and both are facing opposite. R is to the immediate right of T, and R sits second to the left of P undi kada R, and R is seated second to the left of P. This case is not possible. Undo leda R sits second to the left of P. That is crucial information. R is seated second to the left, and next one, and Q is not immediate to R. T is facing opposite. R sits to the immediate right of T, and R is to the immediate right of T. T must be away from the center. R sits to the immediate right of T, and both are facing opposite. R must be facing the center. And two persons between P and Q. Now two persons between P and Q. Q is here. Then must start in into them. V sits out to the left of you, and both are facing opposite. V is out to the left of you, both are facing opposite. And two persons between P and Q. Q who is not immediate to R, and Q is not immediate to R. R sits second end, and T is facing opposite to U. Now T and U are facing opposite means U must be center. My U center aithe V sits out to the left of U ravalante ekkada ravali, and V sits out to the left of you, U must be at this place. Avuna kada R ki P ki madhyalo U undali. Now U is facing the center, and V sits out to the left of or V is here. Done with this? V sits out to the left of you, and both are facing opposite. V and U are opposite. U is center, V must be V. And two persons between P and Q. Q is not immediate to R, and T is facing opposite to U. And U is center, T is away. And next one, opposite to U. R sits second to the left of P, and U sits out to the right of Q. And U is out to the right of Q means Q must be away from the center. Then, now this is about these 7 persons seated around this circular table, some inward, some outward. And 7 persons definitely under the first priority itself. My next one, 19th one chesara. And coming to question number 19. Then motivation. What is the word we have? Motivation. MOTI, VA, TION. Now in this word motivation, all the vowels are changed to the next letter. Now O has become P, IJ, AB, IJ, and OP. All the vowels are next and consonant previous. LM, S, U, S, M. Then according to alphabet. And change it, then how many letters will appear more than once? Now more than once, P appeared more than once, yes. P appeared more than once. S appeared more than once. J appeared more than once. That's it. There are 3 letters that appeared more than once. That is choice for question number 19. The next one, 20, 21, and 22. Blood relations. Now blood relations T is. And who is this T? T is the parent of K. Now T is the parent of K. J is the sister-in-law. R and S are siblings. And R and S are siblings. M is the grandmother of H. M is the grandmother of H. T is the spouse of H. Now T and I are married to each other. And next one, W is the niece of R. Now W is the niece of R. R's siblings child is W. W is the niece of R. And daughter of K. W is the daughter of whom? W is the daughter of. W is the daughter of K and niece of R. That means R and K must be siblings to each other. And S is also sibling. That means to this T and I, there are 3 children. And next one, R sibling done, R and S done. Then, W is the niece of R, S is the wife of G. Now, S is the wife of G, S and G are married couple, and S is the wife of G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 plus 3, 7. And daughter of K. W is, S is, K is the brother of R. K is the brother of R. R is unmarried. And next one, and W and H. W and H are not siblings to each other. As W and H are not siblings to each other, then M is, whatever this M is the grandmother of H and M must be the mother of G. Ends 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then information and J. Now J is the sister-in-law of R relation. J is the sister-in-law of R. That means J must be the wife of K. And J is the sister-in-law of whom? Now J is the sister-in-law. J is the wife of K. J is the wife. Then how is I related to H? I. Gender of I is not known. Either grandfather or grandmother, choice fine. And how is R related to Z? R. R sister's husband. Now the gender of R is not known. Maybe brother-in-law or sister-in-law. Hence, either 1 or 4 cannot be determined, choice 5. మా both 1 and 2 పెట్టచ్చా? బోత్ అవ్వదు, ఏదో ఒకటి అవుతుంది. హెన్స్ ఎయిదర్ 1 or 2 అవ్వాలి ఆన్సర్. ఎయిదర్ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి చాయిస్ 4 కెనాట్ బి ఆన్సర్. ఎయిదర్ లేదు కదా, బోత్ పెట్టకూడదు ఇది. దెన్ కెనాట్ బి డిటర్మిన్. దెన్ ఇఫ్ హెచ్ ఈజ్ ఫిమేల్, మా హెచ్ ఫిమేల్ అయితే ఆర్ జెండర్ తెలీదు, టీఐ తెలియదు, అండ్ ఫిమేల్ మెంబర్స్ కెనాట్ బి ఐడెంటిఫైడ్, చాయిస్ 5. నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 22. Then next one 23 onwards. Now 23 to 26. Now in this 23 to 26, there are some 10 persons and there are seated in 2 parallel rows. A, B, C, D and in row 1, they are facing north and J, K, L, M, N facing south. Now 5 persons towards row 1 and 5 persons towards row 2. May the first priority na, second priority na? Definitely under the last priority. Clear? Time consuming. Amma chudandi enta information undo. Then and definitely under the last priority. Then this is about 23 to 26. Ma start cheddama. Ma 23 to 26 idi pakkana pettandi. Then next one 27. Idi easy kada? When compared with this that one, this is much easier. And next one 30 to 32 even 33. That means these 7 questions are much easier than those 5 questions. Now 5 or 4 ఇచ్చారు అక్కడ and 4 questions. Hence which is better to opt for this one, 27 onwards. Then 27 is start chain. Then 27. All the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number. And what is the sum of second highest number? Digits are arranged in the ascending order. Lowest digit comes to the first place, 2, 3, 4 and now 2, 3. Then second highest. Now first highest ఏమో ఇది వస్తుంది and second highest ఏమో వస్తుంది. Now 389 వస్తుంది, 356, 389. Sum of the digits. And 8 plus 9, 17 plus 3, 20, choice 3, 27. Then question number 27, it is choice 3. Then coming to this 28. Now in this 28, if all the numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right, numbers are arranged in the descending order, then which comes second from the right? Descending order means second lowest number will be second lowest number. Second from the right hand. All the numbers are arranged in descending order. Highest to that means second lowest number. Now second lowest among these. Chapani. Now second lowest, first lowest is 255, 362. That is choice 5, question number 28. Then 29. And some resultant. If we multiply the third digit of the number which is second from the left. Second from the left to third digit 3. And with the second digit of the third number from the right, this one. 3 into 6. How much? 18, choice 1, question number 29. The next one 30 onwards. Now in this question number 30 onwards and 32, 33 and 32. And these 3 questions are based on inequalities. My symbol Japan at the rate of stands for not greater than. Not greater than means lesser than or equals to. Hash stands for not smaller than means greater than or equals. And this power stands for neither greater nor smaller equal to. And percentage stands for neither greater nor equal. That means it must be lesser than. And star stands for neither smaller nor equal to greater than. Then out of this, then now you need to find out the relation between A and L. My L, star and meaning and greater than C greater. My A and L, if you observe here, my answer is A and L. Now A is here, L is here. Now which element is common? My K common. And K to L raval. K to Z. That means first we need to move from A to K. Next one K to Z and J to L. Clear? We need to combine 3 statements here. Majapan A to C, A hash, A greater than or equals to C. Must C star and C greater than K. And next one K to Z. Now J percentage K means J lesser than K, K greater than J. And next one J to W. J hash W, J greater than or equals to W. And at the same time, W greater than or equals to J kada? W has J and W greater than or equals to J. That means J lesser than or equals to W. The next one, L power W. Opposite symbol. Opposite symbol, no relation can be drawn. The next one, what is the next one we have? C and H. Now in this C and H, must C the C ikarundi, H ikarundi. Which element is common? K. Must C star, C greater than K. K has means K greater than or equals to H. And C greater than H, definitely true. Only 2, that is choice 4. 30th it is choice 4. Then coming to 31. Ma 31 చూడండి C star. Ma star into మళ్ళీ greater than. Then C to M. Ma C ఎక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఉంది, M ఎక్కడ ఉంది. Which element is common? మా C నుంచి డైరెక్ట్లీ కామన్ లేదు. C to H and H to B, B to M. మా C to H, H power, H equals to C, C and H are one and the same. Next one H star B. మా H star stands for H is greater than B అయిపోయింది. Then M at the rate of M lesser than or equals to B, B greater than or equals to M. And C greater than M, definitely true or not? And next one, second one. Now in the second, V and J. Ma V ekkada undi, J ekkada undi. Which element is common? Ma H and H. Now first we need to move from H. Now H equals to C and C at the rate of means C lesser than or equals to V. And next one, ikkada enduku ravali? H to B. H star means H greater than B, B lesser than H. And B happens. B to V and B to J. Now B to J, now B equals to J. Now between J to V, J lesser than V, V greater than J, both 1 and 2, choice 3, 31. Then coming to 32. Ma 32 చెప్తారా? Now I and C, I ఎక్కడ ఉంది, C ఎక్కడ ఉంది. J is common. I to J, I at the rate of I lesser than or equals to J. J power, J equals to C. I is either lesser than or equals to C అన్నాడు. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, at the rate of and I lesser than or equals to C, definitely true. The next one C star. మా star stands for C greater than K అన్నాం. మా K ఇక్కడ, C ఇక్కడ. And which element is common? J. మా K2 చెప్పండి. K star and K greater than I. I at the rate of and I lesser than or equals to J. Then J2 say opposite symbol. Then what is your answer? Only one. Only one, choice 1, 32. The next one, 33 onwards. Meaningful word that can be found with. Ma చెప్పండి, what are the words that can be? Now first one is L, next one E, T, R. Now with the help of these 4. And can we form any word here? No word that can be formed. If no such word, X as your answer, choice 3, 33. The next one, 34 to 37. Now 8 bikes were there. అవునా కదా? And they were parked one after the other. Mandin. Now 35 to 37, as of now we have left only 4 question set. అవునా కదా? And we had done all with all the remaining. Again 34 to 37, another 4 questions. Then let us check out for 38 to 40. మా 38 to 40 అయితే you are comfortable with minimum 32 marks. Then దాని ఈ 3 అయిపోయిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు ఈ 2 పొజిషన్ you need to choose one if there is time. Or else you have to end with 32. The next one coming to question number 38 onwards. మా 38 చెప్పండి. And how many such letters are there? The question is about what? A letter. And how many such letters are there which are immediately followed by symbol preceded by number? మా సీక్వెన్స్ ఎలా ఉండాలి? నెంబర్, లెటర్ అండ్ సింబల్. నెంబర్, లెటర్ బట్ నాట్ సింబల్, నెంబర్, లెటర్ బట్ నాట్ సింబల్. మా చెప్పాలి నెంబర్, లెటర్ అండ్ సింబల్. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్ నెంబర్, లెటర్ లేదు. నెంబర్, లెటర్ ఉంది, సింబల్ లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ నెంబర్, లెటర్ బట్ నాట్ సింబల్. నెంబర్, లెటర్ అండ్ సింబల్. And that's it. How many are there? 2, choice 4, 38. 39. All the symbols are deleted. And which of the following is 10th from the right? All the symbols are deleted 10th from the right. And start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. F is your answer, choice 1, question number 39. Then coming to this 40. Now which of the following is exactly in the middle of copyright and while? Where is this copyright is here? Y is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 means 6th element. What is the 6th element? Hash. Hash choice for question number 40. My friend, the 32 questions. Comfortably you have done 32 and 32 is considered to be very decent score in this paper. Then, my put time చూసుకోండి. And if there is at least 3 minutes left for you, then you need to work out those 2 sets. మనకి ఎన్ని మిగిలిపోయినాయి? 2 sets మనకి. 34 to 37 మిగిలింది. At the same time, parallel rows కూడా ఉండిపోయింది. Parallel rows 10 portions, 5 in one row, 5 in the other row. And at the same time, parameter is also been added. ఈ రెండిట్లో మనకి ఏది ఈజీ అవుతుంది? 34 to 37. అప్పుడు చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి మీరు. Then 34 to 37. Now you have choose this one. Definitely అయ్యేటట్టే ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవాలి. Then స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాము. And 8 bikes. Now 8 floors. మా ఫ్లోర్స్ ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి 8, 7, 6, 5. Then you need to write down the floors from top to down. Bottom 4, 3, 2, 1. And 8 bikes were parked in these 8 different floors. 8. Then coming to condition number 1. Now Suzuki is parked in an odd numbered floor but not on the ground floor. And Suzuki odd numbered floor but not on the ground floor. Unknown. Clear? And Suzuki odd numbered floor but not on the ground floor. And Hero Honda is parked. And Suzuki must be either 3, 5 or 7. How many possibilities do you have for this Suzuki? Now Suzuki can be either on the 3rd floor or 5th floor or 7th floor. మా 3 possibilities రాసేమో లేదా? And next one, Hero Honda is parked one of the floors above Piaggio. And Hero Honda is above this Piaggio and is parked. Hero Honda is parked one of the floors above Piaggio is parked and below Yamaha. And Hero Honda is below Yamaha. And these 3 must be. And below Yamaha. And none of the boxes are immediate to each other. I mean, they are crucial information. And these three bikes must be at least in the alternative places, at least. And these 3 cannot be together. As these 3 cannot be together, then next one. And Bajaj is parked immediately above the floor of TVS. Now Bajaj and TVS must be together. As Bajaj and TVS must be together, hence these 3 cannot be in the alternative places. And next one. And Hero Honda is parked one of the floors above Suzuki. And Hero Honda is placed one of the floors above Suzuki. Now this case is not possible. And Hero Honda is placed above. Now Hero Honda ikkadunte, then Hero Honda is here. Now this must be and Yamaha. Yamaha. And Hero Honda is placed above this Suzuki. Now here in this one, Hero Honda, there are n number of possibilities. Then neither TVS nor Mahindra is parked at the ground floor. And neither TVS nor Mahindra now is on the ground floor. And next one, neither TVS nor Mahindra is at the ground floor. Bajaj and TVS cannot be here. Then next one. And Enfield is parked on an even number floor. Above Mahindra is parked. And both are below 5th floor. Royal Enfield is parked on an even number floor above the floor of Mahindra. And at the same time. And both are parked below to 5th floor. Now both are parked below to 5th floor. And where should this one? Make it here, Enfield must be here. Now Enfield is here, is parked and above the floor of Mahindra. And above the floor of Mahindra. And TVS and Mahindra are not. Make it neither TVS nor Mahindra is at the first place. Bajaj and TVS definitely must be at this place. Now Bajaj and TVS ikkada same. Then Mahindra Raval. Is it possible? This case is completely ruled out. Now we have left with this case. And Yamaha undali and Bajaj and TVS cannot be here. Then let us check out the possibilities for this Bajaj and TVS. Then my Bajaj and TVS Bajaj and TVS. Now if you have Bajaj and TVS here, Yamaha, Hero Honda and Piaggio, is it possible? Mautunda leda. Ikkada Yamaha undali. Then ikkade undali cheppani Hero Honda undali. Then and Royal Enfield must be even number floor. And Royal Enfield ekkada undali. Ikkada unte ikkada emotundi cheppani Piaggio. Make it a chance undo and TVS. And which information that is invalid? Royal Enfield is parked on and above the floor of Mahindra. Above the floor of Mahindra, not possible. Clear? And this is ruled out as of now. Then next one. I'm going to extend this. That means Royal Enfield cannot be on the 2nd floor. Then, and if it cannot be on the 2nd floor, Enfield is at this place. My Enfield ekkada next year end unnai kada Bajaj and TVS. Bajaj and TVS ekkada undali. My ikkada Bajaj and TVS ila unte. This is Bajaj and TVS. Ippudu em undali cheppandi? Yamaha, Hero Honda, Piaggio cannot be in the alternative places. Avuna kada? Ee rendu ikkadaina undali rendu. Hence Bajaj and TVS cannot be on 5 and 6. Then next one, Bajaj is here. Then TVS is here. Then the remaining. Now TVS and Mahindra cannot be here. Hence where should this Mahindra? Mahindra is here. Mahindra ikkade undali Piaggio. Then next one, what is left over here? This is Yamaha. And if this is Yamaha, and what is left over? Hero Honda is here. Then now this is about question numbers 34 to 37. My pen 34 to 37. The next one is just 23 to 26. Now, how many persons are there? There are some 10 persons. Now, these 10 persons are seated in two different rows, row 1 and row 2. And row 1 facing north. And who are the persons in row 1? Row 1 facing north, and A, B, C, D, and E are row 1 facing north. A, B, C, D, and E are seated in a row. They are facing towards north, and J, K, L, M, N are facing towards south. Now A to E. Now this is row 1, A to E, and this is J to M. Then J, K, L, M, N. Then each one of them, and each one of them likes different flowers as well. The person who likes rose sits in row 1 at one of the extrements. At one of the extrements means how many possibilities? Two possibilities. The one who likes rose can be at this place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the right extreme. And first we have started with the two possibilities. Only one person between the one who is facing and rose and M. Rose opposite and M must be here, M must be. In both the cases, M must be exactly at the center. And next one, only one person between M and K. K can be either here or here. Now here also K can be here or here. Two possible. And the one who like dice sits second to the right of J. And dice sits second to the right of J. Dice is here. Sits second to the right of J. J is here. And the one who likes tulip faces J. And tulip faces whom? Tulip faces J. Clear? Tulip ka opposite undal cheppandi J. J ki second right dice. And J who is an immediate neighbor of L. Now J is an immediate neighbor of L. L can be either here or here, two possibilities. And next one, M does not like dice. M does not like dice. Clear? M does not like dice. Then where should this M? How many possibilities we have for this dice? Dice can be at the first place or the second place. M does not like dice. A sits at one of the extrements of the line. A is at one of the extrements of the line. A can be rows or A can be here. And A is at one of the extrements of the line. And next one, only one person between rows and C. Rows ki C ki mazlo there is exactly one person, rows and C there is exactly one person. And next one, the one like who likes hibiscus sits second to the left of D. D ki second left aruna japani. Now the one who likes hibiscus. And seated second to the left of whom, sits second to the left of D. And D ki second left aruna hibiscus. Then next one. And secondly, the one Lily sits second to the left of B. Now Lily is also seated second to the left of B. Lily seated second to the left of B. Then next one. Lily sits second to the left of B. And K likes Iris. Now whatever this K is Iris. K likes Iris. The one who likes tulip and rose are not immediate to each other. Now tulip and rose are not immediate to each other. Now tulip and rose are not immediate to each other. Then tulip and rose are not immediate. Then next one, J. J fix chesedama. And the one who likes dice sits second to the right of J. Dice sits second to the, and second dice, the one who likes dice sits second to the right of J. And the one tulip faces J. J who is an immediate neighbor of L. And J is an immediate neighbor of L. Then what are the possibilities we have for this J? J is an immediate neighbor of L. J is an immediate neighbor of L. Hence J must be here. And J ekkada ekkada evaru undali? L undalu. L ekkada ekkada evaru undali? K undalu. Now J is an immediate neighbor of whom? And J is an immediate neighbor of L. J is an immediate neighbor of L. J ekkada. J ekkada unte K ekkada raవాలి. K ekkada unte ekkada evaru undali cheppandi? Then L is here. L ekkada iste మిగిలిపోయింది ఎవరు? N is the person left out. Then J is opposite. Then tulip opposite J. Now tulip is here. Now tulip opposite is J. Then J second left is what? Dice. And dice is N. Now in both the cases, dice is N. Second case. Now second case, and tulip and rose. Now tulip and rose are not adjacent. Last. And tulip and rose are not immediate. Now in this case, tulip and rose, this is ruled out. Then we have left with what? K is Iris. Now K is Iris. K Iris is fixed. K Iris that has been fixed. Then next one. And D is second right undal. And D. Now what is this information we have? And D is seated second to the right of hibiscus. Now D is seated second to the right of hibiscus. There are two possibilities for this one. అండ్ బీకి సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్లో ఎవరు ఉండాలి? లిల్లీ ఉండాలి. మా బీకి సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఉండాలంటే బీ మస్ట్ బీ హియర్. అండ్ బీకి సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్ లిల్లీ. మరి ఎన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా? బీ ఇక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు, ఇక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు. బీ సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఈస్ లిల్లీ. Then next one who likes jasmine faces the one lotus, and at least one person between jasmine and a dahlia. K sits to the right of him, K is to the right of him. And more than one person sits between B and E. Now in between B and E, more than one person means at least two persons must be there. And at least two persons are there between B and E. Ma B ekkada undali? B must be here. Avuna kada? And more than one person between B and E is here. Ma E ekkada unte ikkada evaru undali? A is sir, A is at one of the corner. A ikkada unte D must be at this place. Then D is sir, B ki second left Lily is sir. And D ki second left evaru undali? Ibps case. Then inka migilipoyindi em cheppandi? Then these two are opposite to it. And jasmine and faces the one lotus. Jasmine and lotus are opposite to each other. And at least one person sits between jasmine and dahlia. Jasmine and dahlia, one person means this must be jasmine. Now if this is jasmine, this is dahlia. And if this is dahlia, this is lotus. And what else is left over here? Minkedo to milipen. And daffodils. Now J likes daffodils. సరిపోయిందా? మన టైం కన్జ్యూమింగ్గా ఉన్నా కదా? మన డెఫినెట్లీ టైం కన్జ్యూమింగ్. మనకి పారామీటర్ ఒకటే, ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీయా సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ పారామీటర్ టు దిస్ వన్? ఏ విధంగా మనం డిసైడ్ చేస్తారు ఇది ఫస్ట్ వస్తుందా సెకండ్ వస్తుందా అనేసి? అంటే ఫస్ట్ చేయాలా సెకండ్ చేయాలా? ఏది మనకి ఎక్కువ టైం పడుతుందో దాన్ని సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ పెట్టుకుంటాం. అది చూడగానే ఇక్కడ దీని మొత్తం తీరి అర్థమైపోవాలి మనకి చదవగానే. ఇది కొద్దిగా టైం పట్టేటట్టు ఉంది, దాన్ని సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ. చూడగానే మనకి చేసేటట్టు ఉన్నది ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ. డన్. అయిపోయింది. ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా పేపర్లో? నెంబర్ సిరీస్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ చెప్పాలి. నెంబర్ సిరీస్ 60. Now 60. Then coming to question number 60 తో స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. Now in this 60, now finding the missing number in zeros. Now 324. ఏమవుతుంది? 324 96. Now 3 into 8 రాసుకోస్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఇంటూ 4 8 4. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమైపోయింది? 2 అవ్వాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎంతో? ఇంటూ 0.5. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇంటూ 1. And 192 is the answer, choice 3. Into 8 into 4 into 2 into 1 into 0.5. And 61. 61 చెప్పండి. 122.5 అన్నాం. 122.5 and 135. What is the difference? డిఫరెన్స్లోకి వెళ్తామా లేదా? అండ్ డిఫరెన్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్సెస్ వీ హ్యావ్? ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ మనకి ఎంత వస్తుంది? 12.5. ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 25. ఇక్కడ ఎంత? 50. ఇంటూ 2 ఇంటూ 2 ఇక్కడ ఎంత? 100. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 200. And 310 is the answer, choice. Then next one 62. 820. ఏం చేయాలి? డిఫరెన్స్ 12. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 16, 20, 24, 28, 108 choice 3. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 108 choice 3. సరిపోయిందమ్మా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్ కమింగ్ టు క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 63. 63 16, 35, 29, 45. 29 and 48 ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? ఆల్టర్నేట్ తీసేసుకోవచ్చు. 3, 16, 29. నౌ ప్లస్ 13 ప్లస్ 13. 48 minus 13 minus 13. 35 minus 13 22 choice 2 63. Then 64 18 56. ఏం చేయాలి మళ్ళీ? అగైన్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ నెంబర్స్ అండ్ అసెండింగ్ అండ్ డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్. 18 and 29 డిఫరెన్స్ 11. 29 plus 11 40. అండ్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి 56 minus 7 minus how much? మైనస్ 56 47 ఎంత ఇది? 5. ఇక్కడేమో మనకి 5 ఉంది, ఇక్కడేమో మనకి 9 ఉంది. ఆర్ ఎల్స్ దెన్ 18 and 56 డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత చెప్పండి? 38 రాసుకోవచ్చమ్మా. 38. నెక్స్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? మైనస్ 27. నెక్స్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 37. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 29 plus 18. అవునా కదా? 38, 27, 18. Among these differences, next time అయిపోవాలి. Next one must be 11. Minus 11 plus 6. Now 6 plus 5, 11. Next one 7, 9, 11. సరిపోయిందా? Alternate. Then what is your answer here? 47 minus 11. That is 36 choice 2. Then finally 65. 65 and 2తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. 1100, 1300. Numbers are increasing at a very faster rate. Hence it must be product or combination. 2, 11, 54 ఏం చేద్దాం? and 215. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి ఇంటూ 3 అంటే 645 minus 1. Now 54 into 4 minus 1. ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయాలి ఇంటూ 5 minus 1 into 6 minus 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 minus 1. That is 1288 minus 1 and 1287. Choice 3, 65. Clear? Now this is about question number 60 to 64. Any doubts in this? బాబు కోఆర్డినేటర్ ఎవరు? మా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తారు?